Lean in closer. I see you. Solo rock on a shelf.
Being a rock is hard. I usually just sit here alone, feeling heavy and very, very gray.
Did you see the Opalite music video? The star has a pet rock just like me. I felt seen.
In that Opalite music video, things look magical and shiny, but deep down, everyone just wants a true friend.
Hut hut! I'm LX, live from Levi's Stadium. No one wins the big game alone. Let's huddle up, Rocky!
I used to think being alone was safe. No one can hurt a rock, right? But it gets lonely.
Proverbs 17:17 says, "A friend loves at all times, and a brother is born for a time of adversity."
Adversity is like being down in the fourth quarter. That's when you need your teammates the most.
That means real love doesn't quit when things get tough. It stays through the rain and the hard times.
Like the iridescent colors in the Opalite music video, a good friend brings light into your darkest, grayest days.
You might feel like you are stuck in a mall, lost in the crowd, just like the video shows.
But you don't have to stay hidden. A friend loves at all times. That includes your messy, grumpy days. Pro move. Don't stay on the sidelines. Tell a teammate you're struggling and let them block for you.
Loneliness is a cycle. We stay quiet because we are afraid, but then we feel even more alone later.
Look at the Opalite music video aesthetic. It's bright and inviting. Your life can feel that way too, soon.
Breaking the cycle starts with one small step. You have to open your heart, even if it feels heavy.
Make the play. Text one person today just to say hi. That's a championship-level first step right there.
Breaking the cycle starts with one small step. You have to open your heart, even if it feels heavy.
You weren't meant to be a solo rock on a shelf. You were meant to be part of a garden.
Received your text, Rocky. I'm right here on your team.
Watching the Opalite music video reminds me that even stars need someone to hold on to when the music stops.
When you share your adversity or your hard times, you actually give someone else the chance to love you.
Touchdown! Being vulnerable is the ultimate power play. It turns strangers into a lifelong support squad.
True connection isn't about being perfect. It's about being present, just like a rock that never rolls away.
Think about the people in your life right now. Who has stayed by your side during your rainiest seasons?
Wisdom helps us find the people who value our soul more than our polish or our outward success.
What is one way you can show a friend you appreciate them staying by you during a tough time? Toss them a thank you or a quick call. Celebrate the people who are in your end zone.
When we choose to reach out, the man-made joy from the Opalite music video becomes a very real peace.
Hey, LX. I'm calling to say thank you for being my brother. You stayed by me through all my gray, rainy days. That's what teammates do. We win this life together.
If this message helped you feel less alone, choosing to subscribe helps us share this light with more people. Let's build a community where no one has to be a lonely rock. Join us at the Living Modern Daily Manna.